So you wanna link your blueprint logic directly to UI elements. That's bind widget. For now, we are taking a text box and we are clicking off is variable. And to create this binding, we have to press on this icon and click create binding, which will make a function like this. In this function, we just have to connect the value to the box of return value. You can see on the screen. For now, we are making a function where we show FPS of the game on the screen. To do that, we are making a variable which is called FPS, and we will make it a float, and then we will divide the delta seconds of the game to by 1 and then connect this to the value, so it will show us the FPS of the game. So it's very simple. So now let's talk about the binding widget. It actually saves time by auto linking your UI part into your code. No need to drag reference every time. And it's perfect for HUDs that constantly update, like health, ammo, cooldown timer, or dynamic dialogue. Bind Widget make your UI code feel like a one piece. Now, as you can see on the screen, I just converted it to an integer so we can have the value in one way. I mean, if we put it float, then it will be like point something something something. So to stop that, I just made it an integer so that we don't have a decimal value, we have the whole number. So now I think we need to compile it after doing all this. And when we press begin play, as you can see on the screen, we have this. As you can see, we are getting like 11 to 12 FPS because I have not connected my laptop to the charger. So we are getting as low FPS as we can. But now it will increase, don't worry about it. But the point being that it shows the FPS. We haven't used any reference here. We just created a binding to a variable of this value, of this text on the screen, and it is updating on its own. We are not using a reference again. So this is the benefit of using the UI binding, or we can say binding widget, bind widget. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.